this is it. I have now to vacuum my very car. After vacuuming the Land Rover, which you will have enjoyed at the beginning of this channel, now it's this time for this car. And we've got company of turds on the floor here. We've got various animal turds, some geese, some chickens, that long black one, I don't know what it is. We've got a hen here. It's all very exciting. And before vacuuming, I'm going to take out the rubbish from the car and remove any stones. And I've got Tina helping me today to do the videoing for me. Tina is very nice. Thank you, Tina. Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, it's not too dirty, is it? A bottle of water for emergency. We've got one of those. You never know when you might need a tool. It's got all sorts of tools on there. And I've got my spare bulb, some emergency things which I've never used. Touch the wood wherever it is. I don't need to use it ever. That can go out there. What else have we got? Not very much on this side. Nothing very exciting. So I will start vacuuming from the front here. And I will do it with a brush because that's my favorite tool to use for the cars. I like those best. I know there's a square one, but I'm not too keen on that. It's a bit crap. Little square ones like that size. This is nice. Oh, and of course I need to remove, oh, there's a bit of a mess at the front as well. Let's start with here, shall we? I can smell turd already. Not bad. Let's get rid of that. I could just drop it on a turd and then it will smell nice tomorrow when I go for my little trip. I'm going to someone's house, but I can't say that I cannot ask her to use a vacuum cleaner really, because I don't know her. If I knew her, I would say, can I do a bit of vacuuming while you video me? But it may not be the right day to do it. Before a big trip like that, it's good to clean the car. It feels good. The journey feels clean. You feel ready. So that's it. I'm going to show you my trick here. You see this towel? It's a replacement for long journeys when it's hot. Because there is a vinyl polyester stuff, it's all sweaty and horrible. So what I've done is I've made a towel just with an elastic band. The elastic band keeps it behind the seat like this. And then there I am. I've got a very comfortable cotton proper towel. So if I sweat like a pig, well, I can go on the towel, and it's very nice. I'm very proud. It's only a easy thing to do, and it doesn't cost so much then. So what else we've got here? The gear stick. It's always dusty, that. Do you think that will work? Let's have a look. Oh, it's gone. Excellent. Now I'll get the other tool out. I don't know if Tina can see why it's really dusty in here. Oh, look at that, all gone. What have I been doing in it? Looks like it might rain, but it won't be much. It's only a light cloud. There's a lot of mess in here. That on top of the hoover so it doesn't get too wet. My gloves are dusty. Just touched the seat and it's all dusty now. I like the brush, it's the most essential one because it's all soft, which is very nice. except it's not. Oh, that's good. It's not so good at catching things. Oh, that feather was fast. There, a little turkey with a little turkey chick. That's a nice turkey chick, isn't it? One. Actually, it's a gosling. It's not a little turkey. You can tell from the feet. it's a good job you're not here with me because I've got terrible gas today. Poor Tina has to deal with that, but she's not even complaining. She's very stoic. Like all Chinese people are very stoic, aren't they? Well, I think that's it for the hoovering, vacuuming rather. I can vacuum this dress a bit. There's no danger that anything that shouldn't be seen because it's probably dusty now. Look, look, look. The turkey is complaining that there's nothing to eat for her. All this vacuuming and nothing for her at all, no. Nothing for turkeys. I'll just check on the ram to test the vacuum now. He's doing all right, Henry. Yes. I think very good. So now what we are going to do is we're going to wash the car, and you can help me in spirit from where you are at sponging it better. See you in a minute.